my setup for today, Beyond the Standard. This is my setup. I'm not done with my balloon arch, but it looks so pretty. So this part here is with paper towel rolls, or you can use something like this to sit on there. See, bam. This top here is from like a Tula, like the tutu type of material, Tula. And then the bottom part there to hold it all together is from a picture frame, like, you know, the to the same Choir Gospel Fest 2018. These are going to be like my little thank you for stopping by treat bags. Got some information on it. Of course, some treats and my business cards. I'm also going to place these in there and have some information. Basically about me, our mission, our dream. And I'm going to place them into this. You guessed it, Mickey Mouse is going to be my theme, and Minnie. I love Mickey Mouse, but go get your tickets if you don't have them already.